Hello, welcome back to my channel. My name is Andrea and we will continue taking photos with our iPhones. First part was about tips when you are using your iPhone for taking photos inside. Now we are outside in this cloudy and windy day and I hope that my tips will be useful for you. So let's begin. When taking photos outside, you see there is a lot of movements. You have to be really quick to capture the right scene at the right moment. For example, at the one moment the cat is looking straight to your camera and a few seconds later she runs away. That's why you can use a camera shortcut on your iPhone to get to your camera very quickly. This saves you precious seconds. Easily swipe the sideways and you are there. In a second, you can capture unrepeatable moments. Your camera works in a way that is trying to find the object in your frame and focus on it. However, you may want to focus on a completely different object. Click and hold to lock focus on the place on your screen where you want to lock focus. You can now move with your phone and focus will stay locked. Except focus, you will also lock exposure. Click again and turn it back. In nature, you want to take some photos horizontally, especially when you want to take photos of landscape or you want to have a lot of objects in your frame. So I just turn my phone horizontally and use volume button to take photos. This way you can easily stabilize your phone with all your fingers. You will avoid shaky photos when trying to reach the shutter button or by tapping on the screen, which can move your frame. You can also use this button to capture series, and this is a perfect tool. Go to camera settings and turn on photo series. Now when you press a volume button, you will make lots of photos. The number of photos you made you can see in the main shutter button. This is called a burst mode and you can make a beautiful action photos. I like to use it when taking photos of moving objects. When you want to create a more depth on your photos, use a portrait mode. This mode will blur the background, so you can make a beautiful portrait photos by using your iPhone. However, the blurry background is created digitally and not manually, like for example when using your professional camera. So you can use this mode not only for humans but also for another object whenever you want to blur the background. When using this tool, stand less than 2.5 meters away from your subject. One of my favorite tools for taking photos outside is a live mode. This tool is maybe not very useful on the first sight, but it's definitely fun. It captures frame 1.5 seconds before and after you press the shutter button. You can turn it on with the icon in the up right corner. If you are taking photos of moving objects, you can then go to editing settings and choose the frame you want to use as your photo. And one more bonus tip. If you have Apple Watch, you can use it for self-portrait photos. This will help you to set the correct composition and also use timer for your beautiful portraits. So I hope you like these tips and I wish you a lot of beautiful photos taking outside. See you in the next video.